Hello again, everyone. I have another lock here from the Lock Lab from Bosnian Bill. This is my first Euro lock, and it has not been easy to get into. I only had one opening, and that's why it's still sitting here. I cut the lock in half in case I did get it open. It gave me 3 keys, and the bitting is the same on both sides anyway, so I figured I'd make a couple locks out of it. The bitting on it, I don't know, it's not that great, I guess, but it's not that easy to get into this lock. Like I said, I only had one opening, and yeah, it's been very tough for me to get this thing open. We'll use bottom of the keyway. We'll use this wiper insert here. I think that's the large. We'll use my Itala from Sparrows in 25,000. Yeah, and we'll see if we can get in this. I don't know if I mentioned it. The name of the lock is Potent. P-O-T-E-N-T. Alright, so let's go in the back of the lock. Alright, I know I gotta use light tension. Alright, start looking here. Pin 5. Little click from him. Little click off of 4. 3 seems real stiff. This lock's been one of the toughest locks I've had to get into. And I don't know why. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's just all standard. Because I don't get no feedback from this lock at all. It just opens. Alright, phew, we're open on one. Alright guys, finally got this thing open. I don't know, I've done a package, Bosnian Bill, sent me a package, my very first package, and that was a while ago. So I've had this lock for a long time. And I finally got it open today, so we are going to see what's inside this. Plus, I get to use my new pinning tray again from Steel Pinnings. Guys, this tray is freaking awesome. I love it. Steel Pinnings, again, thank you very much for this tray. I still don't know what to say. Alright. Yeah, let's see what's in this lock. I really want to know. Like I said, I think it's going to be all standard, but we're going to find out. Let me see here. Oh, this might be a pain to get off. Let's see if I can do it like this. Without it going flying. Yep. Okay. Got it off. Alright, guys. Yeah, let me lower this a little bit. I'm running out of locks, guys. I'm doing a swap right now with West Coast Picks, and I do have enough locks to do another swap if somebody wants to do a swap with me. Now, well, I'm gonna gut this real quick, and I'm gonna talk to you a little more about that. But alright, yeah, I guess I could use this one. Not expecting much in this lock. Alright. So there is 5 in there. They are all working. Alright. Pin 1. You guys can see that. Make sure you can see it. Yeah. Pin 1. Standard. Pin 2. Standard. 3. Standard. 4. Standard. 5. Standard. Yep. Nothing done to the core there. And then the Bible here. Like I said, we're probably going to be all standard, but guys, I'm going to do a trade. These could make awesome challenge locks too. I believe the tolerances in these are insane. Plus the paracentric keyway for me wasn't all that easy. Oops. Standard. I probably shouldn't have used this follower with the hole in it. Standard. Standard. Try not to lose them down there. Standard. Yeah. Really wish I didn't use this follower. Yep, another standard. Well, they're all standard anyways, guys. Ooh, but you know what? Maybe that was, yeah, there's sure nothing's in this. Yeah, nothing's done to the Bible. But I do notice these pins, I believe, are, straighten them out. They look like they have a really beveled edge, and I'm not sure if I heard that that makes it real easy for oversetting. Yeah, let's see if I can show you one of these. The edge of that is beveled down, so maybe that was my problem, doing a lot of oversetting too. I don't know. Alright guys, but yeah, that is the lock. Real quick, like I said, I'm doing a swap already, but I do have enough locks to do another swap with. I have a couple challenge locks from Trek Master 30. I had a lot of fun picking those open. And I did get a question about this ASA from Tumblr. Now, Tumblr, I'm not sure. You asked me if this had a sidebar, okay? I don't know much about ASAs, but I know that the key looks like it would have a sidebar, and there is 2 sets of pins down there. So, is that with a sidebar? I believe so. Is it active? I don't really know. I can't get this lock open. But yeah, guys, I would like to do another trade and get some locks in here so I could do some videos. As you can see, I'm running out of locks here. So, yeah. So, anybody wants to do a trade, leave me a comment below. And maybe we could do a swap or something. Alright, so guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. And for everybody else, if you don't have the permission, don't open it. Thanks, guys. Bye.